Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will focus on mastering the pronunciation of the word defocusing. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. During the meditation exercise, she practiced defocusing her mind and focusing on her breathing instead. Defocusing refers to intentionally shifting focus away from a specific point or subject, often used in techniques such as meditation to promote relaxation and mindfulness. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.